If you're using GVT, you need to stop now. GVT stands for German volume training, where you need to complete 10 reps by 10 sets. How I made this discovery was I was looking to progressively overload my clients, however they couldn't do more weight or more reps, so my attention was drawn towards sets. I looked up if increasing sets would have a positive association on muscle growth. The meta-analysis single versus multi-sets of resistant exercise for muscle hypertrophy showed a positive relationship. As the number of sets increased, so did the muscle gains. The analysis only went as high as 6 sets, so my mind moved to, if some was good, more must be better. My attention straight away went over to GVT as the best solution to my problem. I went to confirm my theory and found a study comparing traditional GVT 10 by 10 versus a modified GVT 10 reps by 5 sets. The study showed that the modified version of GVT 10 reps by 5 sets reigned well and truly supreme in muscle gains. This study went on to state that per exercise, 4 to 6 sets be performed, as it seems gains will plateau beyond this set range and may even regress you due to overtraining.